Hello there everyone, my name is Squalo and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now in this video I'm gonna talk about my recent crypto purchases, which was actually done yesterday. And I'm gonna also talk about my pain of this bear market and the amount of money I've lost. And just not too many people talk about these things. Everybody talks only about profits. So I decided to make this a traditional video. I'm gonna take you through my day, what I do on a Saturday, and I'm gonna tell you exactly how I take losses and how much money did I actually lose, and what am I expecting from the market to come. So the first things first, what I got to do, I gotta wash my bottom and brush my teeth. And look at this. This is our shower, and this is the view from our shower. Pretty epic. So let me just brush my teeth real quick. Okay, now that's done. We gotta go to the office, check a few things, including the markets. And here's guys and girls, right now in the current macro environment, even people like Ray Dalio and Warren Buffett, they're losing money, billions of dollars. There is not a single person, unless they're traders or people who believed in the energy sector, who actually survived the current drop. By the way, here is the magic place, and I often don't even turn it off. And look at this view here from it, which is absolutely incredible. And one of the things I have to check, and that's what I always check every morning, which for me is the most important thing, and that is the results of our Discord channel, and see how much money people are making. 222%, 49%, 25%, 121%, etc. Because we are posting really crazy, amazing trades with all the targets, all the explanations, and there is a link down in the description of this video as well as in the pinned comment. So if you're not part of our Discord channel where we are actually making money while everybody else, all the portfolios, are in red, then this is gonna be the place. This is the best way to hedge your portfolio against the current market downturn. So if you're not part of our free Discord channel, then go down, pause the video, you can watch it later, join us right now because you're missing out on a lot of action. So when it comes to the market itself, there is a lot of manipulation right now, a lot of pain happening, and let me know in the comments if I should do a Bitcoin video today as well, a very detailed one. Because if we're gonna take a look at the overall downturn, and let's go to it right now. So in Bitcoin, from the all-time high, we went down 70%. And certainly, you can, the funny thing is that I bought in my first crypto portfolio. I've put it together in about 2019. So it was pretty much in this vicinity. So I started here and then I bought some more here. So I didn't really buy at the bottoms, but I was buying pretty much in this vicinity, in this whole area. And I never got the best price, but nonetheless, and I bought a little bit of very tiny amount of Bitcoin actually, but most of the money that I was putting into crypto was going into altcoins, all this explosive stuff. And normally, when we had these dips, especially the COVID dip right here, and all the previous, and also this one right here, so it was very painful. And I remember this myself. So I've been through a bear market before, and it sucked. But to be honest, I've put in $50,000. I'll be honest with you, I didn't put in $1 million, unfortunately. And the thing is that I was exiting all my positions right here, about in this vicinity, before China started banning mining. So this is where, and now I need to go do some swimming. This is when I actually started to scale out, and I actually sold everything. And I even on YouTube, I did a video a year or so ago. When it happened, I actually made a video. So if you don't believe me, going back into my old videos where I made a video that I am selling everything. And I exited with a 2,000% profit. And a 2,000% profit, it means that I've made, yes, about $1 million in my portfolio, which at some points were up and down. Now guys, my daily routine, I need to do some swimming right here. So let me quickly do some swimming and then we continue. Okay, now that I'm finished with this, I need to get some food, and I'm hoping that I can find some food in my own kitchen. But nonetheless, so what I'm trying to say here is that initially when I put in my first $50,000, Sophia, I'm hungry. So when I put in my first $50,000, it went down to at some point down to 20K. then it went up to 100K, then back down to, again, 30K, and it was absolutely ridiculous. And most people would not be able to sustain something like this just psychologically. They were thinking that they were getting scammed, that they invested into a Ponzi scheme. But me personally, I sustained it because I understood very well how, you know, investing works, and that it cannot always be just a straight line, and that, you know, it just takes time, and if you believe in something, you just stick to it. And then at the end, that's how I made pretty much $1 million. So, and the thing is that right now, and I have been into the markets for like 9 years, so I understood very well as to like what's my trading model, like what's my investing model. Look at my breakfast. I don't know what the fuck this is, but our chef cooks it. We don't cook really, but it's got some special recipes and stuff. So, and that's pretty much how I made that first million. And right now, when I've sold everything and now I'm getting back into it and I have more money and I'm getting back into it heavily, and I started getting back into it, like I bought Bitcoin at 45K, I bought Bitcoin at 40K, then I bought Bitcoin at 35, 30K, 25, 20K, and just yesterday, I've put in almost like $250,000 in a little bit of Bitcoin, a little bit of Ethereum, actually more Ethereum than Bitcoin, but just that's how I felt that day yesterday. Also put in a little bit money of into Polkadot, Cardano, and a few other ones, a few interesting tokens. Let me know if I should do like a separate video, tell me in the comments. And let me quickly enjoy this breakfast with some colored water and enjoy the view, and we'll talk more. Okay, so breakfast is done, swimming is done, and now it's time to go to the beach club. So I'm gonna take you with me, and now you're gonna be asking me, Thomas, are you crazy? The markets are going down, and you've been through the bear market already, and you're actually buying more? $250,000? Are you absolutely mad? And that's the thing, guys and girls. So far in this bear market, remember that I'm actually trading and investing my own money, and I'm also doing it for my clients in my crypto hedge fund. And yes, I'm a crypto hedge fund manager, if you didn't know, but that's more for institutional stuff. So, and the crypto hedge fund is doing much better because we have a less aggressive strategy. But for me, for my personal one, I'm currently down close to $500,000 in my crypto investments. So, but again, it's normal. So for me, I don't really care that very much about it. And I've been through this before. I've been through this pain before. I know exactly what it feels like. And when everybody gets scared and when everybody sells, that's when they actually accept the loss. But there is no loss until you actually realize it, and while you believe in it, in the asset you've invested in, you're still good to go. So for me, really, despite my $500,000 loss, theoretical paper loss, I'm doing right now when I'm buying more, when there is blood on the streets, I'm actually doing something I should have done in the previous bear market, and I wouldn't make $1 million, I would have made maybe $5 million if I would have done this. And by the way, look at my neighbors. I like my neighbors. And as for us, let's take the golden boy. And that's like literally the most painful thing that you can do is when everything is going down and you see already some kind of a paper loss on your account, on your deposit, whatever, and buying more, you know, knowing that it can actually go even lower. And it can. I mean, there is, we can do all we can trade, and we've done really well this year. I've made over $200,000 from all the active trades that we've taken. And if you've been part of this YouTube channel, you've taken those trades as well. So subscribe right now and hit that notification bell so you're always notified when I make a new upload, because I mean, this is one of the best YouTube channels when it comes to crypto, the most realistic one, the most honest one. So subscribe right now, a lot to learn here. And also, if you want to become one of my full-time students and learn how I'm trading and how I'm doing all these things, then go to thomaskrallo.com today and join my 5 months long certified trading learning program, certified and accredited, which is awesome. And you also get a diploma at the end. Now, and for me, you know, a lot of people are just saying that, oh, I lost so much, I lost this. You didn't lose anything until you actually realize that loss. And as for myself, I believe in cryptocurrency, but I'm gonna give you a very important tip, guys and girls, a very, very important tip. And yes, guys and girls, the best place for a Saturday is going to be the Blue Waters And yes, I'm going to Caesar's Palace, to Cove Beach, a real nice beach club. I highly recommend it. So, and the biggest tip that I can, guys, give you is I'm not a crypto maxi. I'm not saying that crypto is 100% there to stay, whatever. You know, I don't know this. And to be honest, nobody knows this. What is the United States gonna do? What is the Federal Reserve gonna do? When is it gonna really go up? We can speculate, we can prepare, we can take proper risk and money management trades and all of this and that. And maybe United States is gonna come out and ban it, which is highly unlikely. But there is still, you know, 1 or 2% chance that crypto is gonna die someday. There is a very small chance, and us being reasonable investors, rational people, we have to accept that risk. So because of that, I'm not ever gonna keep, at this point of adoption curve in cryptocurrencies, I'm not gonna ever keep more than 50% of my total net worth in crypto. So 50% of it is, and it's in millions at this point, is in crypto. Yes, in different projects and in the Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more than 20 different tokens. But the rest of my net worth is in real estate, it's in cars, it's in cash, it's in gold, it's in silver, it's in watches. So just if crypto goes to zero, Tom Scroll is still gonna be pretty much pretty rich. And there it is, our favorite place for a Saturday. Well, I mean, among many other actually beach clubs, but this place is quite nice. It's a bit green and quite sweet. Look at this place. Look how nice it is. I mean, this is Dubai. That's why I absolutely love Dubai. You know, the vibe is just amazing. Like, the world is the world, you know, it's quite a sad place right now. But in Dubai, nothing is sad. In Dubai, there is a party every fucking day. So anyway, guys and girls, so what I'm trying to say here is that if you're scared of the volatility, if you're scared of, you know, putting your money to work, if you're scared of the potential downturn, which can still happen, because right now it's an unprecedented macro environment, and what's going to happen with interest rates, it's really hard to tell. So, but I think that the worst case scenario for Bitcoin is $10,000. So if it's going to go down from here, if you're going to buy Bitcoin today, it's a potential downside of about 50%. But if you think about the potential upside, which in the coming years, and look, nice place. And the potential upside from here in the next 5 years, and at the latest 2026 after the halving, is going to be a minimum, I would say $120,000 to $150,000 per Bitcoin. So that's, as we call it, an asymmetrical bet. Therefore, I believe in it. And if it fucks up, we'll find something else. But that's just how you cannot make money without risking money. So don't be a hamster. Don't buy at the top and sell at the bottom. Buy at the bottom, or at least in the vicinity, and sell at the fucking top. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. And as for myself, I'm gonna go enjoy some beach time. Cheers, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.